What's up, family? Tanya here. I'm just doing a tour of my garden. Third week in March, and I already have my cool weather crops all potted up. They're outside, and you guys saw me when I purchased these, and so I finally got them in their grow pots, and I put them in the cage that hubby built last year. So we got that going on. There's 12 collards and there's 12 Napa cabbages. All right, so I did my video on how to take care of your starts and what I do. And I get my starts from the big box store. Bring them home, keep them moist, and I don't like up pot them. I don't, the only time they go from their nursery pots into my pots, is when I'm ready. And I had those things probably 3 weeks. I had them 3 weeks to a month. I just keep them, maintained until they're ready to go. Okay, so it's March. It's a good time for these because I'm in Zone 8A, Georgia. I don't know if it's B. Well, they keep changing our Zone A or B. And so, you know, it'll get too hot in a while. So by June, it's going to be, I'll see. But they should be ready to harvest in about 60 days. Okay, and then hubby just made this. I don't want to show my neighbor's homes. He just put this cage up. We already had this trellis, and then he put this cage up. And he just went to Lowe's yesterday and got some tomato plants. And then that's the garlic he's been growing. What is it? Red bell pepper and some strawberries. So hopefully we'll just, if we get another frost, we'll just put some cover over them. Let it go. Okay. So this is our patio garden. It's just a little radius off our patio where we're able to grow food. And that's why I keep showing you guys this. So I want you to be able to grow something, especially my Georgia peaches, where we have a long growing season, pretty mild temperatures most of the time. It gets hot, but we have beautiful environment to grow something in. I love lettuce. I love salad. So this is the time to get that lettuce in the ground. I'll get it, going. I think I'm going to keep all my lettuces in the greenhouse. I'm just going to have, it gets plenty of sun. Look at these. You guys saw me when I planted these. My little baby greens. I just watered them. So these are just laying down. So they're just doing so well. Lettuces are cool season. They like it up to like 50 to 70 degrees. And that's optimal for them. The spring, early spring, and the fall is a good time for them. So these are my little bit. One thing I don't like about this pack of gourmet lettuce blend is it doesn't have a blend of like different colors. That's why I got it. I wanted some of the reds and all the different other color lettuces in there. Okay, here's some more romaine. And let's see the temperature in here. I had to open the windows. It gets hot in here. It's already 85 degrees in here. Now I still haven't potted these. These are my starts. And I'll get that's going to be last on my list. Garlic. We have some more romaine here. See how they're like, I love how they grow like in little levels like cabbage does. Here are my other, you see the greenhouse is kind of, had to tidy it up. I still need to plant these. Trying to keep these alive until I want to put a few out in the front, and then I'll put a few back here. And I didn't have any more pots for my lettuce, so I put the butter crunch lettuce in my planter here. My vertical planter. And they perked up overnight. And I don't have anything in the other ones. I'm out of dirt. So I got to get some more soil. Okay, so yeah, they do okay. It's cute. I want to see how I can make them pretty. Add some marigolds and stuff. Here's some more. I think these are butter crunch as well. And then you guys, when I did a haul on my on these totes that I got from Dollar Tree, this is so handy. You know, I just put everything in here, and hubby can just easily, when he comes out here, he can just easily grab the snips and the little trowel, whatever, and keep it moving. So I'm going to organize it some more. Here are more of, these are my red lettuces. It's called red leaf lettuce. They're thriving. More butter crunch. Okay, and some of my people, my Georgia girls, my Georgia peaches, if you have a Lidl, right now they have pots like this size. You get 10 in a pack for $2.99. They have different sizes of these. Like if you get like the little ones, like the ones you get at Dollar Tree, you see these, and you get 20 for $2.99. So put that back here. So I think I'm going to like use this as my grow table. And then I'll be able to put, you know, any extra plants, you know, along the side here. And I'm still got to organize it more. And so I've had the greenhouse for almost a year now. Hubby got it for my birthday last year. And it has been like, I wanted to do a yearly review, and it's been great. Oh, I forgot. I put my, these perennials I got. They're still alive. I'm not sure where I want to put them. I don't think the ones I purchased will look good in my flower bed. But we'll see. But yeah, I highly recommend this greenhouse. It really does protect your plants. It gives you some time to, you know, plan your garden. And it survived serious like hurricane strength winds, serious rain, tornado threats, but it did, when that we had snow, when that piled up on top of there, it did collapse for the snow. So that's the only thing. Like hubby put this pole up here. Something happened up here when it snowed, that little thing. So that's the only thing. Other than that, it is strong. It does the job. And what I really love about it is you can control the temperature. It has the perfect amount of doors and windows. You can roll these up when it gets too hot in here. So I rolled up all the windows because it's 80 degrees. Because I do a lot of cool season. I do more spring and fall planting where you need airflow, but you want it warm too. So I got that. And then my way of hardening them off is I open up the window and let the sun come in. So it has a front door that you can roll all the way up, and then back here we have a back door. You can roll that all the way up. So the price keeps changing, so I can't say what price it is on Amazon, but I do have a link in my description box. So, you know, if you're interested, they have them in all different sizes. here. You roll like most of the summer. I'll have these up. I roll it up. You see that mesh there? Keeps the bugs out. Airflow comes in. It's really good. So look at that big old bumblebee. So that's what I do. Come out, make sure everything's good. You can even entertain in here. I've done that. Had little hors d'oeuvres and snacks, or if you're having a barbecue, you know, this is where everybody can come and get their plates and drink cups, and also see some flowers. It's beautiful. So it's just this area over here. I think I'm going to need like to get a container and like just put any supplies under here and keep it simple. Okay, now all of my plant seeds have always germinated. So I don't know what's going on over here. None of these have germinated at all. I don't see anything. So I'm going to give them another week. And then that soil is going to be used for something else. Like down here, hubby planted something. There's been no germination. Okay. Check these, see if I can still need soil. That's why I just had to prioritize what I'm going to plant. These are still good. So these are salad mix. These are romaine. I can keep some stuff alive. I can keep it alive. Yeah, I got some. Yeah, they're all right. They're all right. I'll get to them this week. They hang on. I keep them, like I always tell y'all guys, just keep them moist. And if these pots over here don't germinate the next few days, then I will be transplanting those into these pots. They need to be up potted. And then I'll put them in like their regular grow pot. So that's where I'm going to get my soil from. Okay. I always do this in the morning when I first get up. And keep it tidy. I got to organize down here. These are doing so well. They're so pretty. That's romaine lettuce. They don't need to be outside, but they do need sun. They need air. They need some good soil. They're fine. These lettuces are growing without going all outside. I don't want them to get too big anyway. And they're very sweet. These dry out so fast. I just watered these yesterday. Okay, family, thanks so much for joining me on my garden tour. And that's what I do. Like, now because things are so crazy in our country, I'm not going out doing a whole bunch of, like shopping for unnecessary decor. I'm not shopping, I have everything I pretty much need, but I think it's important to promote self-sufficiency. My channel has always been about self-sufficiency, pantry preparedness, Keep your pantry stocked, your freezer stocked, have different multi-layers, multi-levels of preparedness. Have your fresh vegetables, grow something. Greens are the easiest to grow. Get them, from seeds and from starts. They're normally $1 per plant. You get the 6-pack for like $5.97. And, because I can't eat a lot of rice and potatoes, I can, but I don't, I get a lot more. I'm full from eating vegetables. And yes, you can. Like what I do, if I have a whole bunch of lettuces, I'll blend them. People put uh, kale and spinach and stuff in their smoothies, and then you freeze it. I put my lettuces in there, so I get some green, some chlorophyll in my smoothies, and just freeze a bunch of them. But every day I'll come out and I'll pick some leaves from here, and I have a salad. Then you have your salsa. I'm gonna create a salsa herb garden. Then I have my lettuces and my greens, my brassicas in the spring and fall. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. All right. So I'm just trying to show you. This is just off of my patio. And then down here, these grow bags, I'm going to be putting, peppers and tomato plants. I have them on each side of this. You have to tamp down this greenhouse. It's going to be a beautiful week for these.